morning student. Today we will read modal use of would and must. First of all, we will discussion the use of would. Use of would. It is used to express the past tense of will. It is used to express the past tense of will in the indirect speech. It means would is used to express the past tense of the will. Now we will discussion one by one. I said to Ravi. You will be a good player one day. Look this sentence. He said Ravi, you will be a good player one day. Now you can write this. I told Ravi that he will be changed according to the past tense. He would be a good player one day. Here would is used in the place of will in the reference of the past tense. Now we will take another example. It is used to express the habitual activity in the past. It is used to express or. Second rule is it is used to express habitual action in the past. Dear student, you will read the first condition, the use of would. It is used to express the past tense of the will in the indirect speech, as you saw in the example. And second condition is it is used to express habitual action in the past. in the past. Now we will see by the example. The example is it is in winter he would study till late night. In winter he would study at late night. This is the habitual action which had been occurred in the past. So here would is study, would is used here. Now we will see after dinner. In second example, after dinner he would stall for some minute. Here also show the habitual action. After taking dinner, he used to go for some stall, go for walk for some minute. Dear student, there are the different rules. The use of the will. In first rules, we have saw in the first examples, and the second condition here used, it is used to the express habitual actions in the past. Now we will see the another rule which is used in part C. Part C, it is used to express a suggestion or politely request also. It is used to express politely request. It is used to express politely. It is used to express politely request and suggestion. Dear student, in third conditions, it is also used to express the politely request and suggestion. We will see in the example first. Would you mind opening the window? Would you mind opening the window? Dear student, look here. Would you mind opening the window? It show the politely request to open the window. In second example, we will see there. Would you please show me your book? Would you please show me your book? In these two examples, they are used to the politely request and suggestion here. So, in these situations, would is used here. There is another condition too. Use of would. In D part, it is used to express a wish or desire also. It is used to express wish or desire also. Dear student, the another condition the use of would is it is used to express wish or desire also, as so in the example is would that he were here at this time. Would that he were here at this time. He were here at this time. Dear student, here a wish to present the subject at this time. So would is used here. इच्छा होती कि काश वह भी मेरे साथ इस समय होता. It means would that he were here at this time. And in second example, we will write that I would like to express my point of view. I would like to express my point of view. I would like to express my point of view. I would like to express my point of view. In another condition, we will read the use of would. It is used to express the imagine. It is used to express imagine. It is used to express imagine or improbable. It is used to express imagine or improbable result or unreal condition Dear student, it is used to imagine. In just imagine, कल्पना करो कि काश मैं राजा होता. In the sense या improbable जो कि असंभव, जो कि संभव नहीं हो सकता, जो अनरियल कंडीशन होती है. In that situations we should use would in the sentence. Now we will see by the example. Example number first. If you had invited me, if you had invited me, I would have come. I would have come. It means कि अगर आप मुझे इनवाइट किए होते, यानी किए नहीं, I would have come, तो मैं आ सकता था. In another examples, would that I were rich. In second, would that I were rich. Would that I were rich. It is just imagine that if it is possible to I become a rich, but this would that I were the rich, this is the improbable result. It cannot be possible. So here would is used here.